Welcome back everyone. So today I'm just doing a quick install guide on how to do the cup holder lights in the BMW F Series. This is obviously just leading on from changing the ambient lights before. I've again changed the LED module to do the white and purple to match with the rest of the car, but you don't necessarily need to do that. And it is just an extra little bit of light that lights up all around the cup holder and where the ashtray would be. It's a very simple process, takes 5 minutes if that, and it's very cheap as well. Maximum sort of £10 to £15. Obviously if you're going to change the bulb, that's sort of like another £8-9 if you're in the UK. So at maximum it's like £20-25 including the colour change, but that's obviously something I'd normally do when I was changing the rest of the bulbs at the same time. But obviously as we go along, any questions and that, drop them in the comment section and I'll answer them as quick as I can. But if not, we'll see how we get on. Okay, so to do the cup holder light, you don't need any tools at all. All you're going to need is one of these lights. I'll stick the link in the description. These are about £7-8, genuine BMW one. The only difference is I've changed the light module inside here to the same as what I've got in the other doors. So these are white and purple, so it should turn on and off like the doors do. And then the other thing is a little adapter cable as well that you can get on Amazon, eBay, and so on. The only thing that I would check is before you order the cable, I'll show you the connectors in a minute, but before you order the cable, just double check what the connectors you have, because the original cable that I bought was 2 female, 1 male, where this one's 2 male, 1 female. Most of the time it is the 2 female, 1 male cable, but in my car for some reason it was the 2 male, 1 female. So just double check that first, but apart from that, that's about it. You don't really, like I say, you don't really need any tools. All you need to do is just pull this down. You can do it with your hands. I've already disconnected mine. Usually this is the I'll just move there. This is the connector for the stereo light. I've disconnected it because I don't want the orange to come on with the purple. But what you can do with this harness, what I will do is I'll put in the description, and I'll try and put a picture in as well of which cable. What you can do is remove one of the cables, so that if you have got the dual coloured LEDs, when you have it on the white, this will shine up white as normal, but basically disable the orange so it doesn't come on with the other colours, like if you went for purple in my case, or blue, and so on. But usually, I say this is usually connected into there. So all you're going to do is obviously just disconnect the cable, put in the harness adapter, now this is going to be a pain. So as always, nothing goes to plan. So basically on here, on the edge here, much the same, I don't know if you can see it on here, it's got like a little tab, just like a locating tab that normally slots into there. For some reason this seems to be backwards, however it does work, and on the top there's a little clip that clips into the top of here anyway. So all I did is with a knife just take that little lip off, and that clips in there perfectly, and if you see at the bottom it does clip in. I have checked the light, and it works. It is on perfectly, and the cable's around the right way. So that's basically the harnessing. Like I say, what I will do is I will work out the colours and the pin number, put that in the description. So if you wish to disable the orange on the radio fascia, I will do. At the moment, all I'm going to do is just basically not plug it in. Otherwise you would just plug that in like that, and that would be that done. But I'm not going to plug that in. at the moment until I've worked out the colours. But all you're going to do then is basically fit it all back together. That just slots under there. And then this light, literally just where that is, that just slots in under there like that. Just pop that out of the way so that sits under there nicely. Then all you're going to do pop that back into place, and that is the installation done. It's that simple. It takes all of about 2 minutes, but all you're going to do now is light up this whole area here with the colour. What I will do when it gets dark tonight, obviously I will turn the lights on and show you what it looks like. So that's the end of the little installation guide. As always, I hope it was helpful. If it was, please give it a like. Please look to subscribe to the channel. I've got quite a bit more coming up on the BMW, as much the same as the F4, the Smart. Got quite a bit coming up on the Land-rover, and we've just purchased a couple of new bikes. So we're going to do full, complete tear down and rebuilds of the bikes. So that's in the pipeline, and possibly a charity build in regards to a sort of rock crawler based on a Land Rover Mark 1 chassis. So that should be quite good. I'm looking forward to that. That could be quite a good build. But yeah, as always, any questions, queries, give us a comment, or I will drop my email address in the details section. Just drop me an email and I'll get back to you as quick as possible. If not, I'll see you in the next video.